Good morning to all of you, my dear respected students. Myself Kawaljeet, and I am here to teach you. And somewhere we are also going to learn something from your side. And I am, or we can also call it as we together learn computers. So, my dear respected student, can you please tell me, as the name of the chapter is there on the screen itself, but can you please type in a chat box what is the name of the chapter, please? Very good, very good. Ah, wow, the computer system, and it is typed by Manya Angel. Arey, wow, very good, great. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. The computer system we are talking about, and here it is. First of all, my dear respected students, we are supposed to begin with a syllabus, that is a syllabus of periodic test 1. My dear respected students, it's my humble request that you all are supposed to concentrate for a while here. And here it is. The periodic test 1 syllabus is the computer system, which is chapter number 1, and formatting data in Excel, that is chapter number 2. Okay, and today we are just begin with the number 1 chapter, and here it is the content. My dear respected students, can you please understand, are you able to understand a word classification? Can you please tell me what is the meaning of classification through chat box? I am waiting for your responses, my dear respected students. Very good, very good. Classification, as the title is mentioned on the screen, classification of computer by size, to classify something. Okay, to classify. Satisfaction, no, it's not there, I think so. Classification somewhere means, arey wow, Sajbir Singh, hello. They respond with a word that is a groups. Okay, great. We are supposed to justify this word, that we are supposed to group together a different kinds of computer on the basis of size. As heading is mentioned on the screen, classification of computer by size. So my dear respected students, now you are supposed to kindly concentrate here. Can you please count the number of red lines for me? Can you please count the number of red lines for me and type in a chat box how many red lines? Oh, wow. So there is a clue for you all, that when we are supposed to classify computer on the basis of size, my dear respected students, how many number of classification or how many number of groups we are supposed to make? There is number is 5. First of all, first one is, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate. First is to be called as a mobile computers. I'm just going to discuss each and every classification or a group with you all. But first is a mobile computer. Second is to be called as a microcomputer. And here it is. Third is to be called as a mini computer. Fourth is to be called as a mainframe computer. And last one is to be called as a supercomputer. Very good. Last is to be considered as a supercomputer. My dear respected students, kindly watch these 5 different groups on the basis of size. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to hide these. मैं इन सबको क्या करने वाला हूं? I'm just going to hide this again. Now, I want to check that how I'm just going to check the level of concentrations of your, kindly mention the name. Now you all are requested to kindly mention the name of different classification on the basis of size. Shipra Tripathi ji, mobile computer. Great Shipra, great. Next one. Arey वाह, mini super, wow, micro, arey वाह. इसका मतलब है, it make a sense. Yes, many more will be expected. Yes. Mini, super, mini. It means some words are more attractive than others, and many of the students are writing super, mini, micro. Very good, great. Thank you very much. What is the purpose of communication with you all, my dear respected students, that we all learn together and in an effective manner? Okay, great. Now kindly watch the slide, and you all are requested to identify the devices and type in a chat box the name of those devices. Very good, great. Kindly watch this slide, and you all are requested to kindly, wow, I have received laptop, mobiles, laptops, and many more. Very good, very good. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Very good. Wow. Very good, very good. All are requested to participate. It's my humble request. All my dear respected students are requested to participate. And there is a flood in a chat box. There is a flood in a chat box. Wow, great. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'm just going to shift from this slide to the next slide. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate now one by one. It's my humble request. We are supposed to read and learn in a very effective way. Now, first one, when we are supposed to classify computers on the basis of size, so first classification or first group we are talking about, this is to be called as a mobile computer. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate on the screen. Points to remember, as you all having books with you as well, but I'm just going to give you a very genuine points which is supposed to be remembered, and then we are supposed to elaborate these concepts in our examination or when the teacher is going to analyze you. So first thing is, mobile computers are small in size. My dear respected students, very important point we are supposed to learn and memorize, that mobile computers are small in size. My dear respected students, they are small in size. So can you please tell me in a chat box the name of the mobile computers? Any guesses? No problem. Any guesses? Ishmeet Kaur ji, my voice is perfect. I think so. You having some troubles in your side, so kindly check, please. Okay, very good. Laptop, iPad, wow, tablets, sir, laptop. No, sir is not a laptop. Only right laptop. Great. Thank you. Now kindly, okay, no problem. Very good. Thank you. Very good. Good responses. Now kindly look here on the screen. First to be called as a laptop. And here it is glimpses of a laptop we are watching on the screen. Second, my dear respected students, second is to be called as a tablet. Second is to be called as a tablet. Very good. Now kindly just tell me a difference in between a laptop and a tablet. Anyone? If it is possible that you are supposed to discuss the difference between laptop and a tablet with your teacher. Very good. If you are going to discuss a difference in a chat box, please. Very good. Touch screen. Okay. Tablet having a touch screen and laptop having, tablets are without keyboard. Very good. So kindly tell me, tablets having a mouse? Yes or no? Wow. Very good. Many students are typing no, sir, no. So the basic difference in between a laptop and tablets, my dear respected students, that laptop is a device which is supposed to be placed on a lap, and that is to be called as a laptop. Whereas when we are going to make a comparison in between a laptop and tablets, laptop is using a keyboard and mouse, whereas in case of a tablet, we are using a touch screen, and the same will be operated with our fingers or with the help of touch screen. Next, ebook readers. Kindly concentrate. Ebook readers are similar kind of devices, which is to be considered as a tablets, but these are the devices which is used for reading books. And when we just prefix means जब हम उसके आगे एक वर्ड ऐड कर देते हैं या एक कैरेक्टर ऐड कर देते हैं, दैट इज अ ई, वेयर ई रिप्रेजेंटिंग, चैट बॉक्स में बताइएगा ई रिप्रेजेंटिंग. वेरी गुड. एनी गेस? वेरी गुड. ई फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक. यार तुम लोग तो बड़े इंटेलिजेंट हो भाई. वेरी गुड. ई फॉर अ इलेक्ट्रिक नहीं लिखना मेरा बेटा सहजवीर जी, इलेक्ट्रिक नो, देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट इलेक्ट्रिक, यू आर सपोज टू राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. Next thing, my dear respected students, I am just going to analyze your performance as well. Next device which is to be considered as a PDA. Okay, my dear respected students, the full form of a PDA is personal digital assistance. My dear respected students, there is one correction here, that in your book, that is on page number 7, they have mentioned personal data assistant, where you are requested to kindly update this as a personal digital assistance. It's my humble request that you are supposed to update personal data assistance with a personal digital assistance. It's my humble request. Okay. Next is, my dear respected students, the next one we are supposed to consider PMP, where PMP is used for listening audio. I think so many of you are using PMPs for listening audio or music. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good, very good. I am waiting for your responses. No, many are saying no, and many are saying yes, yes. Bani is saying yes, very good. Janvi ji, Tejas ji, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. And those who have not used previously, they are requested to kindly watch this device which is there on the screen. And these are to be called as a PMP. My dear respected students, PMP is a portable media player. Now, it's time to check your learning, that how you are learning with your teacher. What is the full form of PDA? Very good. Kindly type in a chat box. It's my humble request. What is the full form of PDA? My dear respected students. Very good. Very good. Personal. सबसे पहले कौन आया? मान्या. अरे वाह. Personal digital assistance. अरे वाह. उसके बाद तो स्पीड आ गई पूरी. Some students are writing only personal. Take your time, my dear respected students. Very good, very good. यार ये इतनी अच्छी क्लास थी, मुझे पता ही नहीं था इसके बारे में. अगर पता होता तो मैं थोड़ा सा और अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी के साथ आता. Very good, very good. There is a flood in a chat box with a full form, that is a personal digital. No, 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 no. Janvi Dogra ji, this is not assessment. This is a personal digital assistant. Okay. Now, next thing what we are supposed to mention in a chat box, kindly consider, kindly concentrate, portable media player. Now type the full form of portable. Oh, sorry. What is the full form of PMP? Now we are going to type PMP. अरे वाह, मेरे बोलने से पहले ही आ गया. Portable media players. Wow, great. Okay, very good, very good. I'm really impressed with this class. It's my very good. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thanks for your kind consideration. And one thing more, on page number 8, my dear respected students, if you all are concentrating, here it is, some lines are mentioned here, the words with bold. जो dark color हम जिसको बोलते हैं ना, bold letters में कुछ नजर आ रहा है, that is a laptops, that is a notebooks, that is a ultrabooks. I am again repeating, laptops, notebooks, ultrabooks. My dear respected students, somewhere these words are synonyms. Synonyms means the words with a similar meaning, and somewhere they all are supposed to nearby to a laptops, but there is a minor difference in between these, and you all are requested to kindly concentrate on these devices as well. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, we all together believe in this thing that we all are supposed to eliminate one word from our lives, that is a cramming. We all are supposed to eliminate this word, that is a cramming. We are supposed to learn, we are supposed to understand, and then there is no word in our life that is a cramming. Cramming, रट्टाफिकेशन जिसको बोला जाता है, उसको छोड़ने का सिर्फ एक ही अर्थ है, जिस प्रकार आप शब्दों को अपने मस्तिष्क तक लाएं और उनको विचारें, उनको अपने मस्तिष्क में बिठा लें, एंड देन यू आर सपोज टू राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड इन स्पाइट ऑफ grammar. So I am just moving towards our next device, my dear respected students, or group we can call it as. Next is to be called as a microcomputer. Very good, very good, very good. Microcomputer, kindly concentrate. Okay, my dear respected students, one image is there on your screen, so kindly tell me the name of this this device. Not individual, we called it as, I think so it begins from D. It begins from D. Oh, very good. Oh, very good. Some students are writing PC. PC is also a perfect name for this. Very good. Very good. PC, desktop computer. Okay. Kindly tell me the full form of PC, if you don't mind. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now I'm looking for the full form of PC. That is a, wow, what a beautiful, very good. Wow, what a beautiful response, my dear respected student. That is a personal computer. Now, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. Points to remember here. The microcomputers are small in size. Very good. Now, the next is used by one person at a time, as when we are using desktops in our computer lab, in somewhere else, then you all are watching that on the same time only one person is supposed to use these computers. Next is commonly used in offices, or we can call it as commonly used in schools, we can call it as commonly used in banks, and these kind of systems are used in many different organizations. Very good. Next point says these are also called as a पर्सनल कंप्यूटर्स. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, आप जिन लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो यस और नो में रिस्पॉन्स देना, जिनको नहीं आई वो नो बोल दीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. जिनको आया है वो प्लीज यस बोलिएगा. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. ठीक है, थैंक यू. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स. अच्छा, ये कुछ लोग हैं. अच्छा सॉरी, ठीक है, वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम ही थी, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. कुछ लोग हैं ना मुझसे अच्छे भी लोग हैं यार, कुछ ऐसे मत बोलिए आप. चलिए जी, देखते हैं. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. देखिएगा प्लीज. यस, वेरी गुड. Now, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. This is a mini computer. This is a mini. My dear respected students, the name is only mini, but the device is very big. So kindly tell me in a chat box that this mini computer is mini or big. Very good, very good, very good. This computer is mini or big? Wow. And it's look like a refrigerator. मेरे को टाइप करके बताइएगा. This look like a refrigerator. Very good, very good, very good. Many are writing big. Very good, very good. So my dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. That here it is a point you are supposed to remember, that mini computers are larger than microcomputers as well as a mobile computer. ये जो हमने previously किया, what we have discussed previously, mobile computer and a microcomputer, this mini computer is somewhere big as comparison to other computers. Very good. Second point says this look like a refrigerator. आपके रेफ्रिजरेटर की तरह से लगता है. Very good, very good. Next is this particular kind of computer are appeared in 1960. This kind of computers are firstly appeared in 1960, and important thing to remember, the example of mini computers are HP 2100 and Microvax VAX 3100. Now, can I just check your learning? Can I just check your learning if you don't mind? Dash computers are big as comparison to mobile and micro computers. Very good. In a chat box I am waiting. In a chat box I am waiting, my dear respected students. Very good, very good. What you all are typing? मिमी नहीं, ये जसमीत कौर ने स्पेलिंग गलत कर दी है. मिनी, मिनी. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, my dear students. Okay, one more question. The dash computer is look like a refrigerator. Dash computer is look like a refrigerator. Very good, mini computer. And my dear respected students, kindly just type one example of a mini computer. It's my humble request. Type HP 1200. अरे वाह, किसने लिखा ये? Very good. HP 1200. Very good. Microvex 3100. Great. So it means that you all are understanding my words, and thank you very much. Next type is a mainframe computer. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate here. These are also huge in size. बड़े बड़े हैं जो इमेज में नजर आया. And first point says mainframe computers are big, powerful, expensive. Powerful का मतलब शक्तिशाली, बिग का मतलब बड़े, एक्सपेंसिव का मतलब कॉस्टली, पैसे भी ज्यादा है भाई. बट रिमेंबर वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट दीज आर मल्टी यूजर कंप्यूटर्स. मल्टी यूजर मींस मल्टी, एक से ज्यादा. Multi means एक से ज्यादा. It means these kinds of computer can be used by more than one person at a time. Second is mainly used for bulk data processing. Bulk का मतलब जो ज्यादा होता है, बल्क में होता है, क्वांटिटी में होता है, मतलब बल्क वाले डाटा को जो है, ज्यादा डाटा को ये हैंडल कर सकता है. और कितने ज्यादा डाटा को? Commonly used in large organization. These kinds of computers are used in a large organizations, my dear respected students. And just remember the example: IBM 4381, DEC 100. These are the examples of the computers which is to be considered as a mainframe. जिनको मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई वो यस कर दीजिए. मुझे समझ आ जाएगा कि मेरे बच्चे मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी से. अरे वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं यार. मैं ही अकेला हूं ऐसा जो अच्छा नहीं है, बाकी तो ये सब लोग अच्छे ही. चलिए मैं भी बनूंगा अच्छा किसी दिन तो. Very good. Now the last kind of computer we are discussing today is a super computers, and these are the super computers. My dear respected students, it says supercomputers are the biggest का मतलब बड़े, and the most powerful computers. They often occupy whole room. बड़े बड़े rooms के अंदर systems आया करते हैं. And process how many instructions? जैसे कवल जी सर ने बोला type the name, type the full form of PC, तो सब लोगों ने टाइप किया. This is the instruction which is given by your teacher to respected students, whereas when the computer, that is a supercomputer, receive instruction within a fraction of second, within a second time, how many number of instructions they are supposed to process? Trillions. Trillions means 1 lakh crore. 1 lakh crore within a fraction of second. एक सेकंड में 1 लाख करोड़ इंस्ट्रक्शंस को ये रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकता है. That's why this kind of computer is called as a supercomputer. And then important thing, param is a word which I think so which comes from a paramatma. Param atma, सबसे बड़ा. It means that's why it is to be named as a Param 8000 is India's first super computer. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? मेरी बात समझ आ गई? वो जल्दी से बोलो yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अभी मेरे पास आ रहे हैं yes or no. अब आए तेजी वाले अब आए. वेरी गुड. Now my dear, very good. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you, God bless you. Okay, now we are supposed to play one game after this slide. Here it is a meaning of hardware, which is there on page number 9, I think so, my dear respected students. Hardware, मेरे बच्चों सिंपल सी चीजों को याद रखिएगा. The things what we can touch and see, वो चीजें जिनको आप छू सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं, that is to be called as a hardware. Second is the software. The term software refers to the computer programs that are made for running a computer system. For example, a paint program. For example, a MS Word. For example, a MS PowerPoint. For example, Windows Media Player. These kinds of things, which is to be called as a software. अब आपके आगे गेम, जल्दी से देखिएगा. अब हमने गेम खेलनी है, हमारे पास अभी टाइम है, कुछ टाइम हमारे पास है. Kindly concentrate. These are some devices which is there on your screen, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate one by one. And now kindly understand first of all, this is a game where we are supposed to group the numbers. Kindly concentrate. No, Jaskira ji, wait for 1 minute. All students are requested to wait for 1 minute, please. No responses is required in the chat box. This is a game, my dear respected students. Here it is, numbering is there on each and every image. Now you are just going to make a group of softwares and hardwares. For example, मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. रिस्पॉन्ड करने से पहले मेरी ध्यान से बात सुनिए. My dear respected student, if your teacher is saying that you are supposed to group a number from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the basis of odd and even, then what you are going to do? Odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5, if I am correct. And even numbers are 2 and 4. So here it is, you are supposed to group these numbers together in two different parts. One is for hardware and second is for software. First, you all are requested to group on the basis of hardware. Very good. यहाँ पे मुझे देव्यांश का आ गया. अरे वाह. मैं भी एक बार चेक कर लूं क्या है इसका आंसर. अरे वाह भाई, ये तो बड़े अच्छे बच्चे हैं. मेरे जैसा तो कोई भी नहीं है दोस्तों इसमें. अच्छा, हार्डवेयर में किया मेरे ख्याल से. अच्छा. अब देखो चैट बॉक्स में क्या किया. वेरी गुड. अरे वाह, डायरेक्ट मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं मेरे पास. अब सॉफ्टवेयर का करना. अब जिन्होंने हार्डवेयर का कर दिया उनको तो पता लग ही गया. सॉफ्टवेयर का करना. वेरी गुड. सॉफ्टवेयर, यार नाम तो लिखा करो. सीधा ही डायरेक्टली आप नंबरिंग मेंशन कर रहे हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर, यस, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. Okay, now just mention the name of the devices it's required. Very good. Now wait. Calm down. Mention the name of first device, number 1 in a chat box, all of you. Very good. What we call that hardware device. Very good. Thank you. Now type the name of the second image. अभी फर्स्ट ही आ रहा है मेरे पास, Windows 7. अरे वाह. अब आइए थर्ड वन. I required the response for third one. Very good. Now for fourth one. अरे वाह. फोर्थ वन. अच्छा, थर्ड वाला का मेरे पास रिस्पॉन्स आया क्या? आप लोगों ने दिया मुझे रिस्पॉन्स? आई एम वेटिंग. अच्छा, फोर्थ का भी आ गया. वेरी गुड. एंड फिफ्थ वन इज फिफ्थ Android. Very good. Sixth one is to be called as a headphone. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. Seventh is to be called as, be quick. जल्दी. Seventh. अरे वाह, that is to be called as monitor. Now eighth one. Mouse. Now the last one, which is to be called as a Gmail. अच्छा, what is the full form of Gmail? What is the full form of Gmail this time? Kindly tell me, what is the full form of Gmail? Google Mail. Very good. And now those students, they are not responding. I think so no one is left, that those who have not responded. So it's my humble request, kindly concentrate the output. Check here. These are the two different participations, or we can make it as a group. This is the hardware and this one is a Software. Very good. Now I'm just going to discuss one thing with you all, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate. My dear respected students, right now I'm just going to share one Google form with you all regarding attendance. My dear respected students, you all are requested to kindly fill your attendance now only, means after this period, no problem. There is a 5 minutes with you all, that you all are requested to kindly fill attendance, that is for computer. I have just passed this in your group. No need to fill attendance now only. It's my humble request. Now we are supposed to revise or recap what we have learned together. Okay, I think so all are concentrating and all are supposed to give me a responses. My dear respected students, it's my humble request. Now kindly concentrate. Now listen carefully to your teacher and respond accordingly. First question says, my dear respected students, we are supposed to classify now it's my humble request, close your books please. If you are open, there is no fun of using this activity. Close your books please, close your books, it's my humble request. And I know and I believe in my students, close your books. Okay, and now just mention how many different groups we are supposed to create on the basis of classification of computer, on the basis of size. Very good, very good, very good. On the basis of size, very good. I have got my response. Very good. This is to be considered as 5. Very good. Thank you very much. First one is to be called as a, very good. First one is to be called as a mobile. Very good. My dear respected students, next is to be called as a, after mobile, this is to be called as second classification, that is a micro. Very good, very good, very good, very good. And third one is to be called as a, very good, great, mini computer, which is not a mini computers and look like a refrigerators. And after mini, we having a mainframe computers, and mainframe, after mainframe computers, we having the last one, which is to be called as a supercomputer. Okay, wait, calm down. Okay, stop typing. Very good, great. My dear respected students, now my next question, kindly concentrate. Dash is only the computer which is to be considered as a multi-user computer. Dash is to be considered as a multi-user computer. I am waiting for your responses. No. Someone is writing a wrong answer. Multi-user computers, I have discussed that this is to be called, okay, no problem. This is a mainframe. Very good, great. This is to be considered as a mainframe. Very good. Now, my dear respected students, my next question says, yes, my next question is saying that, my dear respected student, kindly mention the name of the supercomputer made, or we can call it as the India's first supercomputer. Very good. India's first supercomputer, that is a Param 8000. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, now just identify what I'm saying. Just identify HP 2100. HP 2100 is example of dash computer. HP 2100 is an example of, very good. मुझे लगता है कि कहीं किसी लोगों ने बुक ना खोली हो, बस मुझे यही डर है. Very good. Next thing. Next we are talking about that DEC 10 is an example of dash computer. DEC 10 is an example of dash computer. Very good. क्या लिख रहे हैं? अरे वाह 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 वाह, mainframe. Very good. Next question says that dash computer perform trillions of instructions per second. सब किसी ने लिखा डुपर कंप्यूटर, नो इट्स नॉट डुपर, इट्स अ सुपर कंप्यूटर, सुपर कंप्यूटर। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, very good, very good. And now I'm just going to conclude this topic now, and I'm just going to stop this meeting with only one or two questions more. My dear respected students, I hope that you understand each and everything. And what is the full form of PDA? Jaldi se, what is the full form of PDA? बेटा साहेब जी मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं गूगल फॉर्म। बेटा मेरा बेटा गूगल फॉर्म इज देयर इन अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, नॉट हियर। ओके, personal digital, very good assistants. And last question says, what is the full form of PMP? PMP, very good, portable media player. And it's my, thank you very much, my dear respected students. I really appreciate your listening. I really appreciate your responses, and hope you all are able to understand my words. And I am again trying myself to just make my words easy to understand. And it's my humble request, you all are doing very good, and it's my humble request that kindly read that chapter जहां तक अभी हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया है। You all are supposed to read. And thanks, goodbye, take care, and keep learning. Thank you very much. God bless you, my dear respected students.